Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to be unboxing a 1/16 scale Ducati Scrambler police motorcycle with a rider action figure by Bruder, and also see if this Ducati motorcycle would be compatible and match up in scale and size with a regular 118 scale licensed diecast motorcycle. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So, before we get to the good stuff, let's take a quick look at the packaging as always. This Ducati police motorcycle and rider figure set by Bruder comes in a blister pack card type packaging. So as you can see on this top corner of the packaging, you will see the Bworld branding alongside the Scrambler Ducati write-up. And on this bottom corner, you will see the official Bruder website address alongside the Bruder logo. And finally, on the back of the packaging, you will find the Bruder logo yet again with the Ducati official licensed product branding, along with quite a bit of legal information regarding this Bruder motorcycle and figure set. So kindly pause if you want to take a read. So with no further ado, let's get this opened. So before we begin, I just want to let you know that this Ducati Scrambler police motorcycle with a rider is manufactured by Bruder, which is a German toy manufacturer. And this is a premium 1/16 scale licensed Ducati motorcycle set that comes with a 5-inch figure. And if that's not enough, the rider also comes with a removable helmet that matches this motorcycle and also a pair of riding gloves that is removable. Well, I'm excited about this one as this motorcycle set looks simply elegant and amazing. And with that out of the way, my first thoughts about this Ducati police motorcycle model is that it has quite a good and sturdy build quality. And although it's made up of ABS plastic, it comes with some good details which are standard with the Bruder motorcycle models, and I should admit that this model looks quite amazing. And the sculpt, the detail and finish on this replica is quite good and sure will make a good addition to your collection. So, getting down to a few features and specifications, this Ducati Scrambler police motorcycle model comes with a fully blacked out chassis with blue and white color scheme, along with some police themed decals and Ducati branding. This model comes with a fully black steerable front fork that contrasts with the rest of the color theme on this replica, and this model also comes with a well-detailed headlight unit with the police branding on it with a clear plastic visor. And this unit flows into a black handlebar with a pair of black hand grips and a pair of clutch and brake levers which are in black as well. Moving down is a white front fender that wraps around a beautiful all-black spoke-style wheel and a rubber tire with a single disc brake unit which is also in silver. And moving on to the midsection, this fuel tank is well sculpted and painted in white and blue, which seamlessly flow together as a single unit with the Ducati Scrambler logo and branding on both sides, which are in black and white with some minimalistic graphics in blue. And moving down to the heart of this ride lies a beautiful and well detailed engine sculpt which is fully in black, along with a black single exhaust with the rest of the midsection components in black as well. And talking about the seat, it's a single seat which is in black, and this flows into a well sculpted rear fender which houses two side boxes with the police branding on them. And you will also find a siren cum antenna on one of the tailpiece units, and this unit also comes with the tail light, a pair of rear turn signals and a number plate mounted on it. And the rear wheel setup is just the same as the front, but comes with the chain and sprocket unit along with a single disc brake unit. And just so you know, the rear wheel setup comes with quite a bit of suspension unlike the front which is rigid, and this model comes with free rolling wheels and a side kickstand in case you want to display it. And as far as the specs go, this model measures in at 5 inches in length, 3.5 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weighs in at about 90 grams. And moving on to the rider figure, He stands in at 5 inches in height and has quite a decent articulation. He sports a blue police jacket to match his ride, wears grey trousers, black boots, and also comes with a pair of removable gloves and a police themed helmet to match his ride, which is removable as well. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this Bruder police motorcycle set. So now let's clear our biggest doubt. Can this Ducati motorcycle be added to a 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle collection? Well, let's go ahead and find out. Well, this is a 1/18 scale Ducati Police 1000 DS licensed diecast motorcycle replica manufactured by Maisto. This replica motorcycle measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 1.5 inches in width, and weighs in at about 110 grams, and comes with a signature paint job with free rolling wheels and suspension. So now let's place Bruder's Ducati Police motorcycle model side by side with this Maisto model and make a visual comparison. So here we go. Well, what can I say? By the looks of it, they almost match up in size with minor unnoticeable visual differences, which doesn't really bother me. And I'm all the more happy now as I could add this Bruder motorcycle model to my 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle collection. So guess it's a win-win. And I'm really glad I picked this up. So overall, this is a beautiful Ducati Scrambler police motorcycle model with some awesome details and is a definite must-have for any miniature motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you are a Bruder toy set enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications, and the best buy link for this Bruder police motorcycle set in the description below. So with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well-detailed Ducati Scrambler police motorcycle model on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors, and this Bruder motorcycle model gets a massive thumbs up from me for its looks as well as for its functionality. So with that being said, let's place this amazing Ducati Police model on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on Bruder toys coming up. Bworld is a toy world of Bruder. Many people consider motorcycling a pure passion, and so is the Ducati manufacturer's emotions. This is a statement that is reflected in any model made by the Italian motorcycle manufacturer, as the same goes with the Bruder manufacturers. In this process, the Ducati Scrambler police motorcycle embodies one of the most influential moments in motorcycling history, originating in the 1960s, thus bringing back this rebel into the focus by integrating contemporary elements. Bruder has now added this impressive motorcycle to its range. Design elements such as spoked wheels, the exhaust, or mirrors on the handlebars have been taken over with an extremely high attention to detail, and the model has simultaneously been equipped with functions such as the steered fork or spring-loaded rear axle. This Ducati police motorcycle model is handled by a Bworld figure featuring authentic police clothing, matching helmet, and riding gloves that are removable. And for further information on Bruder toys, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing Ducati Police Scrambler and Rider action figure set, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing Bruder Police motorcycle and rider figure set. And kindly subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and stay tuned for some cool and one-of-a-kind episodes coming up. And please continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our videos, as it would really help us out a lot. And in case you missed out on our previous episodes, please do check out the rest of the 118 scale and the 112 scale diecast motorcycle episodes, and a lot more fun stuff in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this exciting episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment, and share would be much appreciated. And kindly support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also, do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new diecast motorcycle episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.